You big boy, huh? Yeah. Give me your paw.
He is a big boy.
You look nuts. What is up, guys? Another bonus video for you guys today. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We're going to take a look at my mother's basically retirement gift to herself. She has the Jaguar bug, thanks to me. This, guys, is my mother's Jaguar S-Type. Now, this thing had a ton of, go figure, electrical issues. But now, she's all sorted out. And I gotta be honest, kind of looks amazing. The VIN stickers are good. The wood grain looks good. I don't know how I feel about these seat covers. I don't really like them, but whatever. Oh! Very nice and clean in the interior, as you guys can see. We're gonna fire her up real quick and see how she runs. Fire right up. Now, this is not a car that my mom drives on a regular basis. It's something that's driven every once in a while. Ooh, she almost feels like she has a miss. Let me turn the AC off. Now that screen is bad, and I hear a little bit of a belt squeak. Now the parking brake is on, I'm sure. Let's take a look under the hood and see what that is. All right. You know what? I don't remember. Oh, it is. It's right here. All right. Oh, there's like a gecko or something under the hood. Look at this thing. Yo! That's like one of the things Randy had when he got the swamp bit, right? Living under the hood of this damn thing. That's hilarious. All right. So, yeah, it looks like tensioner pulley maybe. And maybe idler pulley, because we're already in here doing it. But it looks like that is right there, so that should be a fairly easy job right there. And you might be able to get away with just doing the pulley and not the tensioner. Hey, what's going on? Oh, but like all the original stickers and stuff are in here. That is the original grill, which is plugged in here. I mean, it's in remarkably good shape for a 2005 Jaguar. You know, she's gone through and done a lot of the regular maintenance and stuff that needed to be done on this car, and now it's pretty solid. And you notice that squeak is getting less and less as it's running. Now, like I said, this is not a car that runs. They don't drive this car every day. It's hardly driven. Now, I see a little bit of an oil leak right there from one of those grommets, where it looks like they did the valve cover gasket and they just didn't tighten it down enough, I think. Huh. But everything else on this thing looks good. I gotta be honest. She looks really good. Even the leaping Jaguar off the hood. You know, the interior of the car looks really good. This is my first chance of really getting a chance to go over this thing. Now, they do have the dog, the pit bull, so this is probably what this is right here. Oh, they got new grills, so that's good to know. So they took out the old ones and replaced these. So they're doing a lot of the general maintenance stuff that you need to do with a car like this. But let me see here. 240, 216 kilometers. They have it in kilometers. Oh man. Let me, it's got liters. This is not a Euro spec car. I wonder if it was Canadian. No, because it's got miles per hour on the dash. I bet they just don't know how to change it to miles per hour. Let me do that for them. So there we go. I got it switched over. Now it's at 149,000 miles, and it runs good. The biggest thing on these vehicles that you have to worry about are the transmissions. This one has the good motor, so you really don't have to worry about the engine. The engine will outlive the car, believe it or not. They're kind of crazy like that. But overall, I mean, look at this. No cracks on the wood grain, no cracks on the dashboard. I mean, this thing is in really good shape. Really good shape. So, I'm impressed with it. I think she did really good, you know, once they sorted out the car. Alright guys, that'll do it for this video. Just wanted to show you guys that Jaguar and think what you guys, let you guys know, let me know what you guys think about it. I think it's kind of cool. You know, I don't get to go over a lot of different things with like different family members' cars and stuff, but this is just a short little insight so you can see that it runs farther than me. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Perfect.